What's up, guys? This is a new weekly update on my journey from 0 to 10K a month with an AI agency. And just to give you guys some context, I've been in this space for 2 years, but it has been a while, but I'm only making around $2,000 a month, and the client's going to churn or the contract's going to end. So, yeah, we are definitely not close to the 10K mark, but we have plans now. And obviously, it's been 2 years pretty much since the AI automation agency model started. So I've started since the beginning, basically. And obviously, I don't have crazy results, but it's also because I wasted a bunch of time doing I don't know chatbots and learning development of things that don't even matter. So now I'm locked in on an actual agency that provides services to a specific ICP, and that agency is called Content Agency OS. Let me show you. Let me see if I find a logo. Where is that? I thought I added a logo. Content Agency OS over here, Content Agency OS, and basically we help content agencies go from 10K to 40K a month with our AI content engine. Okay, it's no longer this name, but with our operation system that we built, and it's basically a system that allows the content agencies to scale way easier because they can manage because allows them to manage the team and their clients way more smoothly and without the chaos. Because imagine running a content agency that needs to make videos for the clients, and you have like 10 clients and you have multiple team members. Like, it's very chaotic if you don't have a proper project management system and all that stuff. So we built an awesome management system that notifies team members and clients on Slack, has a bunch of automations in the back end, and it's just a cool system that we built. Also helps with hiring new people to the roles like video editing, thermal designing. We also built a CRM inside of our system, and this is all built on Airtable. If you guys are curious, okay. And what we are doing now to try and get clients, when I say we, it's just me and my brother. So now he's helping me doing this. So it's me and my twin brother, actually. So yeah, what we are now doing to try and get some clients is uh, cold, personalized cold outreach. Okay. I tried content. I'm still doing content. So I've made 3 videos so far. I then repackaged this video, but they get like 50 views on average, and they take a lot of time to make. So they are not. It's not a the return on investment is not good. So, but yeah, I'm making content on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on. I now started doing Twitter as well because I need to reach out to leads on Twitter. So yeah, I'm still doing content, but now the main focus is doing the outreach, and it's personalized. So I record a video just like this one over here. Um, And what I do is I change the branding of my system to their agency, to my prospect's agency, and I record a video going over just a preview of the system and the problems that it solves and all that stuff. So yeah, we have a sheet over here. It's just got the leads here, and definitely not the best sheet to track this stuff. And I could probably use Airtable instead, but this is just to get up and running as fast as possible. And yeah, so I add the tele. So what we use to record is the same screen recorder that I'm using for this video, which is tele.tv. So I use that to record the freaking video, and then my brother edits the video on tele, and then we send it. So this week, as I said, and I basically on the video I show some designs, not designs but some visuals to make it more interesting, basically on the video itself. But yeah, basically these videos are weekly updates. So what we do is I write down what happened this week, and then I strategize next week. Okay, I know it's Wednesday, so this doesn't make any sense. But I've slowly delayed the videos, and now we are doing it on Wednesday, which is kind of stupid, but it should be on Sunday. But basically, what happened in the last 7 days was I didn't post a YouTube video. unfortunately. But I don't have much time. I didn't have much time to do it. So, and now we are going out a bunch with the friends to the beach and all that stuff. So yeah, wasting a bunch of time with that shit. So yeah, it is what it is. But I recorded four personalized videos for prospects. Definitely an absurdly low amount of videos recorded. Um, they take me, like, to be honest with you, they take me like 15 minutes. Yeah, they'll take me like 15 minutes, so I could pump them. I could be making way more than just. But yeah, I did four because we are just starting out, but now we have a clear script and we are improving it and improving the visuals as well for the video. So we're gonna pump up pump those numbers up, right? I made a couple of tweets, I made a LinkedIn post for my existing client. I'm continuing to building the systems. Our contract's gonna end in 5 days, 6 days. So, but yeah, we're probably gonna renew the contract or something. And then for my system, I added a bunch of data to the. Sorry, I added a bunch of data to the database, so that when I'm recording the personalized video, I show a preview of my system with actual, like, data. It's dummy data, but it's useful to have that. In terms of my life, I brainstormed with my dad about changing degrees. So I'm in university. I'm 18 years old, and I'm in university and doing computer science. Okay, computer science, but this first year, it's gone, right? And I didn't pass because I I I didn't go to most of the classes, right? So I failed everything. So yeah, we're gonna change degree because I don't want to go back to the same fucking bullshit classes that I was having. And you can actually access this Figma board as well in the description, but you can see some pictures here. This is me on class of computer science. I think he's teaching Python here. This is me working on the actual business, and because this is just the thing that I want to do. So obviously, ideally, we wouldn't be changing fucking degree if the agency was doing well. But we're gonna change also because I want to make friends in this city. I've been in this city for a year now. I have my cousin here, and I have a bunch of friends that I connected with because of my cousin. But they are younger, and I want to connect with people from university. Because my cousin is not in university, so he's gonna go now. So yeah, it would be nice to connect with people on university because I didn't do much on computer science because you can you can probably see why, like here, right? So everyone is over here. We just in a bag, just working on the business, and I really didn't like being there. So that's pretty much the main goal with changing degree, just like trying to meet new people and stuff. Um, and degrees now, instead of computer science, science is something related to sales and marketing. Obviously, like, my plan is to not finish the degree. Ideally, we would like crush with the agency. I'm sure I'm going to crush with the agency. Like, it's inevitable if I keep putting in the work, but like ideally, like as soon as possible, right? So that we can drop out basically. And also because of my grandparents, like I need to study, otherwise they're gonna like go crazy. So yeah, I can only convince them that I don't need a degree if I show them like good results. um, yeah. So yeah, that's it. The plans for next week, I would like to post a YouTube video, just to keep the last week I didn't post, so I'm not gonna say that to keep the consistency, but just to post another video, short one, that doesn't make that doesn't take me too much time to make, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the time to do so. Twitter, this is the most important stuff. More personalized tele videos. Get very good at recording them and make them smaller. So some of the videos are like 8 minutes. We're gonna make them so smaller. So, and also I'm gonna post multiple tweets. I'm gonna comment and engage on tweets from leads, and on LinkedIn I'm gonna post at least one time. Yeah, post at least one time on LinkedIn. Obviously, I should be like posting every day on LinkedIn, but it is what it is. Um, it takes me too much time to post on LinkedIn. Maybe it's just an excuse. So, but yeah, post at least one time on LinkedIn, and let's make it happen. Um, and continue building the last systems for this existing client. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Uh, Please also plan your stuff. Strategize and execute, because that's what I'm doing. I obviously don't have the results to back this up and say that this is the best strategy, but like obviously strategizing and executing, it's obviously good to do. So you know, um, do it yourself, man, and yeah, keep grinding, keep working hard, because we want to achieve our goals, and we will do so if we keep showing up every day and doing the hard work, especially when when we don't feel like it. Some of you guys know where this phrase comes from. But yeah, that's it, guys. Have a great day and have a great week, and I talk to you soon.